Okay, so we're back at the garage today to do a little bit of work on the Charger. Tim, what's the story? Tim's here, Ron's over there behind him.
High note.
Hiding? What's going on?
Well, Ron made a tunnel. So we got a trans tunnel going.
Nice.
We're gonna figure out some foldy rear end stuff. I've got a marker to make it look like I'm intelligent. A lot of twisting and tweaking today. A little bit of body work. I think there's not much missing there. You know, I was thinking just radius it right like this. Yeah. Well, what I can do is we can kind of describe it, and then I can make the piece almost like the same as our lines here, and then I just clamp it and we just weld it. Yeah, we've always seam weld it because your fender welds, we're gonna make them like a tunnel way. Yeah. Because we're gonna bring it back to touching the frame there. Like tub it, I guess. Partial tub it. Basically, yeah.
What do you want to do? You just want to cut it off here and make it down?
No, just here. I actually formed a piece.
Yep.
It's half. I just gotta figure out the rest of the radius, and then I can seam weld it in.
So we're gonna keep. Okay. So you're keeping this.
Oh
You're
yeah,
keeping
yeah.
this.
Yeah, we might as well. Like this corner is all good up here. If we were even planning on keeping the other side, just gotta take that twist out of it. Let's put a block of wood with the jack there and see if we can get this out. And then once we get all the fenders all squared off, then we can do your inner fenders.
Yep.
How's this thing? Oh, look at that.
Those are some straight lines.
This side needs to come this way.
It's got to come up like it's. If we put a clamp there, we should be able to pull that frame back up. Oh, like the bottom of it. Come there. Pick it up. Or make contact and view it dealership.
Oh.
Where'd you get your Charger?
I didn't realize it was a Pontiac Charger.
I'm getting this sort of. Look at that.
Perfect. That's not a perfect body line, but you know.
It's like from factory.
I think we should just put a block of wood there and jack it.
It's quite a symphony of noise going on. Oh.
That's way.
Lifting the car. Yeah, we're lifting the whole car. It's not heavy. Gotta add more steel.
That. They move?
Yeah.
Yep.
Something give there.
She did.
Let's just, I would say, let's just, let's tack it right here. Bring that, is that down?
That's as tight as I can go. As long as it's good.
Alright. Yeah, I just cut a piece of tin here.
What if we just wrapped it around here so we can do a 90-degree around?
Yeah, just tack it in there somehow.
And then wrap it over
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna say that's good. Oh yeah, that's on there.
Should do it. That's how you used to straighten your car after Friday night. Oh, is that close enough there, Tim?
I think so.
Eh? Even if we can try getting it in right
there?
Right there, yeah.
Well, yeah, you might as well tack this side too. It's pretty good right now. Now, is this where you want it?
Right there.
Yeah, it's okay? Like you don't want this pulled in anymore?
Right there.
There we go. Look at that. Doesn't even move no more.
Got some structure on one side and the back now.
If there's anything I've always said I've loved, it's structure.
But man, it's a lot straighter than it was, eh?
Oh yeah. Yeah, just we just gotta, if we pop this little dent out right here, see how it kinda straight. Gonna make a dent right there, is that okay?
Yeah, well, we're gonna widen the fenders a bit anyhow.
It smells like bread. There we go. Good? Yeah, it's on. Good there? I took the clamp off, so
See if this thing.
there we go. So we just gotta put this back in order here. Bring this one in there. Like this. Yeah, we're just gonna tack that bar right here where I cleaned it up there before. There we go. That's on.
Wow! That's a huge difference compared to the old floppy,
Bingo wings.
old floppy mess. What are you thinking?
Oh, it's great.
Ron, why are you scoring those?
It bends easier and then you just bend it and weld the joint.
What are you doing for the trans tunnel?
Yeah. Well, we can make a jig to put them in a presser, but
This is easier.
yeah, that's my place.
Look at all that space to get into that vise.
Yeah, that's not supposed to bend it this much, eh? See, just like that.
How many of those you have to make?
Just a couple, just to keep it.
I want to really do this one here because this is the one that's more important there right now.
Nice.
That was not burning wood. That was quarter inch shot. Yep, cut once. Let's say 77. 23 by 77. And there's our hood.
Yeah, there you go.
There we go.
I don't know why this lock doesn't work on this thing.
77 by...
Ah, there we go. She locked. I will activate the air.
Like, how to cut stuff.
Oh, watch my belly.
Cut your belt off. corn.
Look at that!
It's all right in there. Then we bead roll it there and make it look all nice and fancy.
Perfect.
There we go.
Look at that. Have a seat, Tim.
Yeah, it's pretty good, huh? We have seats downstairs, actually. Well, there we go. Might as well put some seats in and we just go.
Go for a rip. Okay, another day at the shop done. Lots accomplished.
I'd say we're pretty floored by what we got down there.
Yep, this is pretty amazing. Now, quarters got straightened,
Yep.
right? So Ron was saying earlier, it's gonna make the arches, right?
Doing the quarters, yeah.
Yep.
Find some inner wheel wells.
What were we saying we might use for inner wheel wells?
What's the size? It's drums. Some 40-gallon drums? 45 gallon drums.
So we gotta go on a hunt for those.
I'm sure that's what's in the Roadrunner.
Lots getting accomplished in a short period of time.
Oh yeah, it's been amazing.
All thanks to Ron's help.
Like really on the frame, there's about 10 hours in the frame.
Yep.
Building the frame.
And just, you know what, it was done so well. Just 2 hours here, 2 hours there.
Yeah, no big rush.
Got it done.
Okay, so thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Comment.
And comment, yes, tell us what you think. And we'll have another episode with this thing.
Because people like to think a lot.
And we'll have another episode up soon. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Look at this.